Hey YouTube, what's happening? It's Richard, founder of Short-Term Rental University and professional real estate developer. Today's video is a little story I want to share with you about the kind of mistakes that I see people getting started on Airbnb making time and time again. And what do I mean by that? Well, perhaps you've seen my Revenue Beats Ready video, but in essence, if you're getting launched on Airbnb, stop for a second and take a look at where your Airbnb is, and then take a look at the seasonality of the location, and then determine when you want to launch, when you want to renovate, and do it with like a plan. So let me give you an example. When I first got started on Airbnb, I really just had no concern about the calendar. All I really cared about was getting the place ready. I tried to get it as prepared as possible. I would take my time, and eventually when the place was deemed ready, I would launch my Airbnb whatever day that was. It could have been April 1st, January 1st, it didn't really matter, September 15th, but there was no regard for the location or the seasonality. And now that I'm more experienced, I do it very differently. So for example, I will go ahead, like I'm doing in my living hotel down in Costa Rica, I will continue to operate it when it's not perfect, it's not yet renovated. I will take as much money as I possibly can during the peak season, and I will use that revenue to do the renovations when the bookings would be lower at a lower price point during the low season, as opposed to just going linear straight forward and doing it like whenever it was. So let me try and make it a little bit more clear. All I'm suggesting for you is if you're launching an Airbnb and it's like pretty good, but it's not perfect, and you want some new furniture, but the furniture is going to take 4 months, launch now, order the furniture, get 4 months of like revenue in your bank account, and use that to pay for the furniture, and then do the renovation and relaunch, take new photos, do whatever. All I'm suggesting is that there's a lot of money to be made even in the existing condition that your place is, and you don't have to worry about the renovation in advance. Instead, do the renovation from the proceeds of the high season. Now, if you happen to be like launching your place and it's low season, then fine. Do the renovation then, that makes perfect sense. Get it ready so you make maximum dollar during the busy season. And the purpose of this video is just to ask you to think about the calendar and the seasonality and when you launch and when you renovate, and make sure that you're optimizing all those things so that you're making as much money in a calendar year as possible, because what that will do is fuel your growth and your happiness and your success. And you don't want to be spending the wrong season under renovations, not generating revenue, when there's plenty of people who will take your place today at a slightly discounted price because it's not perfect, and then you as a business owner will take their money and renovate it and increase prices and then host other people during peak season and make even more money. Doesn't that make more sense? So please leave a comment below. Tell me your thoughts. When do you renovate? How do you maximize like your maximum profit with seasonality and the work that you have to do so that other people benefit from all of our shared experiences? I hope you like this video, and I'd encourage you to like it, comment below, and as always, subscribe to the channel. Thank you. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video. I just want to share with you that the HostSaver one-click website tool is now live. Like, people are on it, they're using it all the time, and we really want to encourage you to take control of your financial future by building your own brand and building your own business and getting off the dependency of the platforms. Take charge and control of your own future and develop relationships with your clients, the people that have come and stayed in your home. Tell them about discounts or specials that you have. Tell them that you expanded. Tell them anything that you want. Write blogs and start to get your own traction, right? Attract your own tribe using your own website. This is what businesses do. It's 2020. The time is now for people like me and you to build our own website and become platform agnostic. So go ahead and click in the description below to register for the HostSaver. One click and you have your own custom, absolutely gorgeous, works flawlessly website. Can't wait to see you there. Let's go, friends.